Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to show you the new squishy I bought. It's the famous Neato squishy. Quick question. Do you think it's the real one or the fake one? Let's see. I'm actually really excited. This is the first one I've bought, and I'm liking how it's looking. Okay, I'm just about finished. Oh, and I wanted to let you know, this is my new channel. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and leave a like. Wait, this is way better than I imagined. It's really satisfying. I feel like all my life's problems have vanished. Joke. But seriously, it's really good.